Robotic automation has over 33 years' expertise in the design, integration and support of robotic and AGV automation solutions across Australia and New Zealand. We offer smart, adaptive technology solutions for industries including manufacturing, logistics, warehousing, food and beverage, mining, healthcare, retail, defence, automotive and construction. With an unrivaled 3,600 plus project installations completed, we are still excited by the possibilities that automation can bring. Our customers range from small first-time automation users to large multinational brands, as well as original equipment manufacturers, OEMs, and systems integrators. We help companies realise the full benefits of automation through increased productivity, efficiency, flexibility and safety. Experience tells us that there is no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to automation. Whether you are considering integrating automation within an existing facility or greenfield site, single line or a fully automated turnkey solution, we can support the vision and see this through to practical implementation with a focus on total lifecycle management. We offer process solutions and products for pelletizing, robotic welding, pick and place, stretch wrapping, AGVs, materials handling, machine tending and assembly. As the exclusive partner of Yaskawa Motorman and Max AGV in Australia and New Zealand, you can be confident of an optimal solution from some of the best known brands worldwide, as well as guaranteed availability of spare parts and complete tech support. Our service doesn't stop at product supply and installation. Our nationwide team of technicians also provide ongoing 24/7 aftermarket support, including preventative maintenance and breakdown services, training and advice on optimisation and upgrading. At Robotic Automation, we want to help you unlock the possibilities and realise the full benefits that automation can bring to your operation.